Precision and efficiency converge in the Grish GFC series, our latest innovation in fiber optic polishing. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this center pressurized polisher leverages advanced pneumatic pressure and digital controls to fine-tune the polishing process, ensuring compatibility with MPO connectors, fiber optic connectors, and other high-precision optical devices. The GFC series boasts a smart tabletop design, featuring a small top and a sturdy base, delivering unmatched equipment stability. The visible parts, crafted from hardened aluminum alloy, promise a lightweight yet highly durable structure, with exceptional abrasion and corrosion resistance. At the heart of the polisher are its dynamic components: a versatile pressurized arm, a steadfast disc clamp, a robust pressurized column, a precision-engineered grinding disc, and an intuitive operation interface. These elements work in unison to deliver an unparalleled polishing experience. Setting up your GFC series polisher is a breeze. Connect to the compressed air source, and the pressure range is 0.609 MPa. Then power up, and let the system calibrate with a rhythmic cadence signaling readiness. Touch screen and accessible buttons make program customization simple. The machine autonomously saves your settings for future sessions. Adjust polishing parameters on the fly for real-time process optimization. The pressurized arm, adjustable to 0, 45, and 90 degrees, provides precise positioning for the polishing process and effortless workpiece transitions. The aluminum alloy polishing disc, engineered for flatness and durability, reduces weight and minimizes centrifugal force, reinforcing equipment stability during use. Our positioning column, designed for exceptional wear resistance, employs pneumatic pressure to apply consistent polishing force, ensuring flawless results every time. Choosing the Grish polisher isn't just an investment in equipment. It's a partnership with a brand synonymous with innovation, quality assurance, and dedicated after-sales support. Join us on a journey toward a more efficient and stable production future. With the Grish polisher, the art of ultra-precision grinding and polishing is at your fingertips. Together, let's redefine the boundaries of what's possible.